Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what are different ways of sharing your forms distributed to your customers. So I have a test form here that I created in my org already, and when you create a form on the right side on the form builder page, you will see that there are form sharing settings under the settings here. If I open this, you will see there are different options. One of them is the form URL. Of course, this is the easiest, quickest way to share your forms with your customers. You can put this, on your website, just attach it to a button or different tabs or different places. You can send this in an email, but you can just copy this. And when I go to the URL, I will see right away that my form is ready. I can share this with my customers. Or we give you a QR code too right away whenever you create a new form. You can use this on actually physically on if you create brochures, for example, you can just put that in those printouts, or if you want to send this in the email, you want to, somehow maybe put it on your website so people can use their phones to scan the QR code. It will open up the form, they can do the submission, and it will come into your Salesforce org right away. Or also, if you have experience sites, if you're using experience sites, we give you the embed code for experience sites. If you copy this, let me show you. I have a test site here. And if I go to this site, what I need to do is I just need to add an HTML editor on my page and open this up. I just paste the code that I got from BreezyBit, and as you see, my form is embedded on my page right away. I don't need to really do anything else. I publish this and it's going to be on my experience site. Or if I'm using a website like where you say WordPress, Wix, or some others, and I want to embed it on my website, then in that case, we give you the embed code for external sites. If I just copy this, and if I go back to my website, here too, I just need to add a custom HTML element, and I just paste the code that I got, and I can change, things here too really easily, quickly. If I want to change the height, for example, I can do it. Let's save this. And if I open the page, I will see that my form is embedded on my website on this page. Really nice, really, clean looking form. When there is a submission coming from my website, it'll right away come into my Salesforce org, create account or contact records. Or if you have specific needs, on your website, for example, you want to add this as maybe um, what is it called? A pop-up, for example, on the side of your side, when they click this, you want this pop-up to appear as a form, for example, if you want to do it. If you need custom needs like that, please feel free to reach out to us. We can create those codes for you and give them to you right away too. So, but this is how you can, share your forms with your customers in different ways. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.